this is kind of like the end of the day. I crashed pretty early on. I'll show you that in a minute. I just want to tell you about it before I show the clip. And now my bars are bent a little bit, or my wheels bent, so it's kind of messing with my head every time I go off a jump. I just want to keep turning it to the right because my wheel is pointing to the left a little bit, but I just decided to try to ride it.
Are you vlogging right now?
Huh?
Are you vlogging right now?
Yeah. Myself. Alright guys, so as I was saying, I went over a double that was new to me. I didn't really know how far the jump was, and I cased the hell out of it. This double right here, I did not know how far it was. A lot farther than I expected. I followed some guy the whole way up to the face, so I thought if I just followed his speed I'd be okay. But apparently he was on a 450. But he didn't have to give it as much gas right at the top. Long story short, I cased the hell out of it. So my confidence is dampened a little bit. I'm pretty new to the track. This is the second time I've been on a motocross track and actually riding. I've been to plenty of motocross tracks to film and whatnot. But actually riding, not so much. And as you guys know, I'm a woods guy, so this track is all this track stuff is very new to me. Especially because it's all sand. I'm not used to sand tracks either. But we're at a place called Morgan's Corner. Pretty fun little track in North Carolina. Alright, so now that I told you a little bit about it, here's the actual crash clip right here. Well, that one hurt. That jump was a little farther than I thought. I didn't think I was going to case it that hard.
The suspension just went.
Oh, dude, when I was in the air, I was like, nope, I'm nowhere near it. I'm going down.
Alright. You good though?
Yeah, I'm alright. Bike just broke. There's a piece of it on the ground. I think that was Matt's bike. A lot harder to motovlog on a track than I would originally expect. It's a lot harder to talk while you're focusing on so many things. So I'm just going to film some of my buddies with my my GoPro and throw those clips in. This is fun. This is my friend Andrew. Oh, is he going to send it? Nope. Yo! Matt.